Samsung One UI 8.5 Official Beta 4 is now rolling out. If your Samsung Galaxy device running One UI 8.5 Beta 3, you can check right now to see if this update is available for you. To check the update, open Settings, scroll down to Software Update and tap Check for Updates. Here, you'll see the latest version listed as One UI 8.5 Beta 4 version ZZAL. The update is based on Android 16, and the download size is approximately 1.5 gigabytes. If your Samsung Galaxy device supports this beta version, go ahead and download and install the update to experience the latest improvements. This update brings several important bug fixes and improvements. First, Samsung has fixed an issue where the lock screen clock was moving down automatically. Second, the search history problem in the phone app has been resolved. Another fix addresses an issue where calls were switching devices unexpectedly while using a Bluetooth headset. Samsung also fixed a bug where pasting a phone number didn't work correctly after tapping a call link. Finally, an issue where AI Select did not close automatically after copying content has now been fixed. Overall, this One UI 8.5 Beta 4 update improves system stability and fixes multiple everyday issues.